Welcome back to Kirk Kooks. So today we are making a burger that I've never actually tried before, never eaten one of these before. It is a prawn cocktail burger. We're going to make it like a Big Mac, so it's going to be a double-decker prawn cocktail burger. Never had a prawn burger before. No idea what it's going to taste like. I like prawns, I like prawn cocktail, I like burgers, I like Big Macs, so I don't see how I can not like this. So let's make a prawn cocktail double-decker burger. Right, so what we have here is about 250 grams of prawns. We take these out of the bowl. These are ready cooked prawns. So what I want to do with these is just get these about halved. So we've got about 125 there, 125 here. Now one pile, we're just going to lightly cut. We want this chopping into pretty large chunks. Like that. Don't go over the top with that pile. And then this pile we want to try and turn into almost like a paste, so we really need to get this minced up. So once you've got that quite nicely mashed, we're going to again split that in half. One that side, one that side. Over there. And then do the same with this slightly chopped ones. Just give them a little bit more of that. Like that. And then again, same again, in half. Half that way, half that way. So what we should have now is two 125 gram piles, which is about a quarter pound. So we're going to be making quarter pounder prawn cocktail burgers. So if we take one of the piles, we'll get the bowl back because this is going to lose a bit of moisture. We just now want to try and work this into like a pate shape. Then do the same again with this one. So then we want our egg wash, our flour, and our breadcrumb. Take one of the patties, just lightly dust that in the flour. Try and keep it together. Dip in the egg. And then cover with egg crumb. Breadcrumb, cover with breadcrumb. Not quite sure what egg crumb is. Try and press some of that breadcrumb into there, just to keep it nice and firm and in place. And that's one prawn burger, so now let's do the same with the other. And then that's number two, so now both of these are ready to be fried. So I'm going to put our two prawn burgers just into, it's about 1 centimetre of oil here. Say prawns are already cooked. We just want to get this nice and heated all the way through. Probably going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. So they've had about 4 or 5 minutes. They can come off now. We'll just put them on a bit of tissue, a kitchen towel just to drain off, get rid of some of this excess oil. Okay, so for this prawn cocktail Big Mac, or this prawn cocktail double burger, I don't know what to call it really, we need to make a little prawn cocktail sauce. Now prawn cocktail sauce is really simple. It is just mayonnaise and ketchup. What, about 5 parts mayo, so I'm going to put 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise into this little bowl. Then to that we'll just add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. We just want to mix that together. And that's it. That is a very basic, quick and easy prawn cocktail sauce. Now you can put a bit of things like lime juice and stuff like that in, but it's really not that necessary. So what we need to do now, take our bottom bun, some of this prawn cocktail sauce, then on top of that just want a little bit of iceberg lettuce. Then we will take our first burger or patty, bit of sauce on top of there, take our middle bun, bit of sauce on top of there, bit more iceberg lettuce, our second prawn pate, and finally just what we've got left of the sauce. I only made enough for one burger here. I'll just spread that onto here, and that's it. Our prawn Big Mac, or I guess you could call it a seafood Big Mac. I'll just call it a double-decker seafood burger or a double-decker prawn burger. I don't know what to call this thing. It looks pretty tasty though. Let's have a look at this thing, see what the patties look like inside and everything. It's alright making these giant burgers, but they're never easy to cut. There we go. So there you go, a double-decker prawn cocktail burger or a prawn cocktail Big Mac. It's collapsing. Say these burgers, when you make these big burgers, they taste great, but not very practical in my opinion. Probably why Big Macs are in reality so flat, because otherwise they just fall apart like this. But we do need to give this double-decker prawn cocktail burger a try. So I'll see if I can fit it in my mouth. Wow. That is actually quite incredible. Yeah, I've got to say, never actually had a prawn burger before. But this most definitely won't be the last time I met this. This is really good. You get the nice flavour coming through from the sauce we made. Obviously it's just mayo and ketchup, but that is a basic prawn cocktail sauce. Really nice crunch on the breadcrumb of the burger. And then it's nice and soft inside, and as you start eating it, you expect it to taste like a chicken burger, but then obviously it's prawn, so it's a bit bizarre as you're eating it, because if you've never eaten one before and you're like used to eating chicken burgers sort of like this, it tastes a bit odd at first, but I'll tell you what, as soon as you adjust to it, it is absolutely amazing. I mean, look, that is a nice chunky burger we've got there with prawns inside of it. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on what it is. Should we get Loki's verdict on a bit of prawn burger? You like that, mate? Yeah? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that middle layer of bun away, turn this into just a normal burger so we can get a bit less bread in it. Just... You know what? Don't mess about making 2 deckers, 2 layers, whatever. Just make a £1/4 pound of prawn burger. Much better like that. There's too much before, but honestly like that, loads better. It is so good. I suppose you want to try a bit as well, mate. Come here then, Range. Oh. Well, the dogs have obviously both liked the smell of it. I mean, the dogs, they'll eat anything, but I think they both liked it. Not really much of this left, so I can't say I'm going to go eat the rest of this. Don't know what I will do. I'll get the rest of the boys. Only a little bit left. So yeah, really good. I will most definitely make that again. I actually really enjoyed that. That's about all I've got to say on it really, so I guess I'll catch you next time.